हाय फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं यहाँ पे ये डिफ्रैक्शन थ्रू अ सिंगल slit. Okay, so this is our sodium source. Here we have the sodium light source. This is our collimeter, so that we can make our light to be parallel. And here this we have the what um, like single slit beam. You can see this is a plate, and this is a double slit. Okay, because in between we have a sharp wire. So this is a double slit. We put it here between the light source. So this is our this is our telescope here, and here we have some scale. Scale. Okay, spectrometer like. So this is a vernier scale. So if we move in this direction, this will move in this direction. If we move in this direction, then we will move in this direction. So here we can see the pattern of the double slit diffraction. Okay, you can clearly see the diffraction pattern. Okay? In central we have a central diffraction, central intensity and maximum intensity, and if we move side, then we have the low intensity peaks. Okay, you can see clearly here. Okay, so for this experiment what we have to supposed to do, and you can see there is a cross wire between here there is a cross wire. So we have to put the cross wire to measure the width of these slit, this spectrum. We want to read this spectrum on the basis of the positions. We are measuring the position of the different um, so we want to actually measure the width of these fringes, or we can say simply we are measuring the position of these fringes, and then we will make the differences. So we will know the how our fringe width is of the interference pattern, as well as the for the diffraction pattern. For diffraction pattern, we first find the first minima, like you can see in the here. This is our cross wire is moving. You can see now our cross wire is in this position. Okay, so this is our first minimum for the diffraction pattern, and this is for the another minima for the same diffraction pattern. This whole this is our second minima. Okay, so after measuring these differences, we can simply use the formulas, so we can calculate the fringe width. The slit width, as well as the separation between the slit width. Okay, and we